Fire officials are reminding you that the holiday season can bring an increased risk of house fires. We have several simple things you can do to keep your holiday from going up in smoke. Cooking fires spike during the holidays, and safety experts recommend staying in the kitchen while cooking and keeping flammable items such as towels and packaging away from heat sources. Experts also recommend using battery-operated flameless candles as safer alternatives to normal candles, but if you do choose to use normal candles, don't leave them alone. Heating equipment also poses a fire risk, so remember to keep space heaters at least 3 feet from anything that can burn. We spoke with Huntsville Assistant Fire Chief Jerry Tanner, who says it's also important to plug in your space heater separately.
One thing we tell everybody that if you're going to have a space heater plugged into an outlet in your house, don't have anything else plugged into it, because they do draw a lot of power. And if you have anything else running off that same plug, it could cause the wiring to short out.
For more tips, stick around for Fox 54 News at 6 on Fox 54 Plus. Download on your TV, watch for free.